So once again welcome to accountancy class grade 11. So we discussed our previous video session discussed about the preparation of suspense account from the NCERT book, question number 19. Now we are going to discuss the next question number 20. The same manner, there is slightly some differences there. You want to verify now. So what way this problem is different from the earlier problem. Okay. So note down, take your NCERT book, see the given what? Page number 221, exercise number 20. Okay. Trial balance of Raju showed an excess debit of 10,000. Understood? So previously discussed previous question, excess credit. Here, trial balance of Raju showed an excess debit of 10,000. So that means what? See, asset trial balance. So when you open trial balance, as we know, so debit side and credit side, so asset total, we said no, asset total, so whatever amount should be equal. So what they said? They said very clearly that excess debit. So that means they are having what? Here excess debit. So debit side is more. Okay, understood. That's what the excess debit. Nothing but what? Difference in debit side. So difference in trial balance. How much? They given 10,000. Okay. If it is like this, how you are going to show in suspense account? So that's what this problem. They said want to open. See, you put the difference to suspense account and discover the following errors. So one by one, I am going to discuss. So in this situation, how you are going to open suspense account? Okay. So now we want to open suspense account. Okay. So as it is, this part you know as a debit side. Okay. So this part as a credit side. You want to open which side? Debit side or credit side? So whenever the difference in trial balance debit side, you want to open out by balance brought down. Understood? That is very by balance. Okay. By balance brought down. Okay. So make it this one 10,000. Understood? Now this one written here. That's what first you want to open simultaneously suspense account. Here they clearly given trial balance of Raju showed an excess debit of 10,000. Debit side. So when you open suspense account, you want to show like this by balance brought down 10,000. Okay. So that's what we're going to start now. Okay. One by one we're going to write. So what are the first two ones? So when you open, start question number 1, that is here. So what they given? Depreciation. Okay. Asset depreciation, written off the furniture rupees 6,000. Okay. The value of the depreciation we are going to calculate in furniture. So current depreciation 6,000 was not posted. Okay. Depreciation return of the furniture 6,000 not posted. To which account? Furniture account. To furniture account. You understood? According to this problem, they clearly given how to do. So they given what? Depreciation. So subsequent chapter we will discuss depreciation. As you know depreciation. So every year when you are using the asset, naturally the asset value become less. Okay. So how you are going to become to show less value? You want to show the depreciation. That's what they given here. Depreciation written off. We will say what? Depreciation written off. W is silent. Written off the furniture 6,000 not posted to furniture account. Understood? So actually what is the entry correct? So what is the correct entry? I will show you here. So how to do entry? So asset depreciation account. Okay. Depreciation account. How much? 6,000 to furniture account. To furniture account 6,000. Okay. That's what the entry. Suppose you have to pass that entry. depreciation account data to furniture account. What happened? What they said? Not posted to furniture account. So this they not posted. Okay, that's what here partly omitted, one side error. So what is the rectification entry? You want to do what? So anyway they said not posted. Now you are going to post furniture account. Okay, furniture account. How much? 6,000. So our debit side, what? That is the one side error. The debit side, we are going to keep suspense account. Suspense account, debit. How much? 6,000. So what is the narration? We are going to write as same manner. Asset being depreciation, return off. Okay, return off. Not posted to furniture account. Not posted to furniture account. Okay. That's what we've done it now. Furniture account. That's what our rectification entry. Here no question of wrong entry. They forget to do credit side. That's what this part they are not posted. So now we are going to post to furniture account 6,000. So debit part they done it clearly. Debit part they done it. But what happened? Not posted to furniture account. Okay. That's what now we are posted. Suspense account data 6,000 to furniture account 6,000. Now what is the suspense account? So as a base this suspense account, how to do posting? We consider it as a base. So to furniture account. Already open furniture account. This is A, isn't it? To furniture account. So based upon suspense account, we done it what? 6,000. Okay, that's what? Our 6,000, we done it our first transaction. Okay, depreciation now, written off. So the not posted only in furniture account, not in debit side depreciation account. That's why I'm going to do the form of through rectification entry. Suspense account data 6,000 to furniture account 6,000. So understood? So immediately I said now simultaneously you want to open suspense account. You have to write like this: the suspense account to furniture account 6,000. Already you open. So that's what they find that difference in what? Debit excess. Okay, that's why credit side I want to write like this: buy balance brought down 10,000. Okay. So first transaction, first rectification you done it. So what is the second one? Okay. Credit sales. So what is second one? See here. Credit sales to Reuben, 10,000 were recorded as 7,000. It's very interesting entry. Okay. So I will take it this one. And now we are going to discuss transaction B. So what error? Now we are going to locate the error, the particular transaction. Okay. You understood now? Transaction 1. Now go for the next one. What is that? See, asset B, what is that? Credit sales. Credit sales to Reuben. Isn't it? Reuben. Credit sales to Reuben as how much we done it? 10,000. Okay. Were recorded as how much? Only 7,000. Understood? The error. So we done our credit sales to Reuben 10,000, but recorded only 7,000. Okay, now let's see how we are going to do that. Okay, see here what is the wrong entry? We said now whenever wrong entry, correct entry, possibility, you can do it. Okay, then only our rectification entry is very easy. So what is the wrong entry? So what happened? As we know, credit sales to Reuben. Okay, so Reuben account data, how much? Then what happened? They recorded only 7,000. Okay, Reuben to sales account, isn't it? Sales account. How much? 7,000. Okay, so what is the correct entry? Correct entry is what? Again, Reuben account data, what? 10,000. Okay, so that's what the amount we are going to enter. Okay, here only the amount is the problem. Whatever the entry is correct, what happened? They instead of 10,000 entered only 7,000. Reuben account data to sales account. Okay, 10,000. So what is the rectification entry? Now let's see. What is the rectification entry? See here carefully. See here. Only the rectification short what? Only the difference is 3000 only. Okay. So we want again the same entry. So only instead of 10,000, they recorded, they given the effect Rupam account 7,000, sales account 7,000. So the difference 3,000 again going to record same manner. Okay, that's what simple rectification entry here. No question of suspense account. So here what happened? Here the error is only the amount, not debit and credit. Okay. So entry is same as Rupam account. Okay. Rupam account. Record how much? 3,000. Okay, because of the difference. This difference. Okay. That's what? To sales account. Understood now? Sales account. 3,000. So, the balance 3,000. Now we are going to given the effect. Rupam account data 3,000 to sales account 3,000. So, what is the narration? Simple. As being credit sales to Rupam only recorded Rupam were recorded how much? Only 7,000. Okay. Only 7,000. Now rectified. Now rectified. Okay, understood now. That's what our second one. But here, no question of one-sided error. So, no need to write suspense account. That's why no question to do here. So, no question of posting to suspense account here. That's what's very, very important here. So, all the entries are same. See here, all the entries are same. Okay. The only thing, amount is very 7,000, 10,000, here 3,000. The differences you are going to give the effect. Understood now? That's why it's very, very important here. As our second transaction, no effect of suspense account here. Sometimes that will also happen. Here only the rectification entry, again you are going to pass the same entry, so you are going to give the effect of difference of money only 3,000 only, you are going to record furtherly, you will record only 3,000. Okay, that's what, it's very easy one, very interesting for this transaction. Okay, now let's see what is next one. So next is what? See, purchases book under cash to buy 2,000. So as you know this entry very well. Okay, so I will claim. Directly you can write it this entry. Okay, so I write it here, this side. Okay, so our next one, C. I clean this. So what is C? Directly you can do it. So what is transaction C? We write first transaction C. So what is that? Transaction C is purchases book under cash to buy 2,000. Okay, as you see, purchases book, okay, under cost by how much? 2,000. So here what happened? As a one-side error, so whatever the purchases are going to give effect in where? Purchase account. Okay, usually purchase account are going to give. So purchase account naturally will come debit side. Okay, so that's what rectification entry directly. Here no question of correct entry, wrong entry. So what happened? So whatever the purchase account they given under cost, that is the value is reduced 2,000. So you want to give further debit. So under cost means you want to give the same yet purchase account further debit. Okay, as a purchase account debit side, isn't it? Purchases account data how much? Is 2,000. So now credit part is what? Our credit part is suspense account. Okay, because only the under cost, only they were giving effect to only debit side. Okay, so to suspense account 2,000. So what is the narration? Being purchase book, purchases book. Okay, under cost by 2,000. Okay, 2,000. Now rectified. That's what our third transaction. So naturally portion will come. Yes. So now if it is the base, now the suspense account we are open. So how to do? By purchases account. Okay, so by purchases account. How much? Purchases account. How much? 2000. Okay, that's what we are going to give the effect of that purchase account. Okay, so understood now the third transaction. Second transaction, no question of transfer of suspense account here because so only the amount only difference take. As usual given the effect the same entry, amount only difference amount is given. So naturally room account increased by 3000, similar sales account also increased by 3000. But here as a purchase book as under cost by 2000, directly rectification entry, purchase account at 2000 to suspense account 2000. Okay, so as after the narration now rectified immediately, so whatever suspense account open, by purchase account 2000. Okay, you understood now about our third one. Now let's see our fourth one. Okay, just to see that, so up to C we are discussed, now going for the D, next one. Okay. So now let's see the fourth one, that is D. What they mentioned here, see cash sales to Rana 5000 were not posted. So they not posted where? In sales account. So as you know very well, once cash received. So what is the correct entry? Here I write it as a correct entry for easy understanding. So cash account debtor 5000 to what? It's a cash sales. So we can do it directly cash only. Okay, that's what cash account debtor 5000 to sales account. Don't debit Rana account because here there is no credit sales. Here they clearly given it is a cash sales. Okay, so cash account debtor 5000 to sales account 5000. Okay, that's what the correct entry. So then what happened? They not posted. See here, cash sales to Rana 5000 were not posted. So naturally, how we will classify? So that's what they given, isn't it? Not posted. So we consider it so not posted to where? Sales account. Okay, that's what. So that's what I just given the effect here. They are not given to, they given cash account. Okay, so not given yet. So now we are going to do rectification entry. What is that? So as you know, to sales account. Okay, to sales account. How much? 5000. That's what they are given. Now one side error. So one side defect. So now we are going to consider one side error. That's why you are opening suspense account. So to sales account 5000. Okay. So what should be the debit naturally, you know. So now we consider as suspense account. You understood? Now the rectification entry. Suspense account 5000. Okay. So that's what here rectification entry suspense account at 5000 to sales account. That's what they given, not posted. Where? In sales account. So that we consider now. Now we're going to credit given sales account. Debit naturally already cash part is given. So I make it as suspense account because of the one side error. So what's the narration? So being cash sales to Rana were not posted to sales account, now rectified. Okay, now rectified. So now going for the posting as a suspense account is the best, so I can write it to sales account. That is our D. Okay, that's what I mentioned the part. How you are taken from that I mentioning here. So A transaction, B won't come, so that's why C purchase account 2000. Now D to what? To sales account 5000. Okay, to sales account how much? 5000. Okay, you understood now? That's what our fourth transaction. Very clearly understood. Okay. So accordingly, even sometimes certification entry you can write directly, but correct entry. So whenever needed wrong entry here. Here no question of wrong entry. Just I am showing the example here. They forget to write it here. That's what. Debit part is correct. Okay. So you can't say it's a wrong entry. they omitted. So what? Partly omitted. Coming under error of omission. Okay, partly omitted. That's all one side error. So definitely it will disagree the trial balance. Okay. So now you understood this here as a suspense account. You can make it posting as a suspense account. You open to sales account 5,000. Okay. Now let's see the next one. You understood now. Okay. So next I'm going to see the next transaction. Okay, so now what is the next one? I'll write it first. So next what they given? Old machinery sold for 7,000 was credited to sales account. So now you can be able to understand very clearly see what type of error. Okay, just to you see. What is next one? See, old machinery. Okay. Sold for how much? 7,000. Okay, 7,000 was credited to what happened? Credited to sales account. Okay. So now tell me, so what happened, this problem, what is the error occurred here? So once you read the transaction, you can clearly able to identify, so which type of error is coming under error of principal. Okay, so this error is coming what? It is coming under error of principal. You know that very well. What is the meaning of error of principal? The allocation of capital expenditure and revenue expenditure, so wrongly given the effort. That's what we can say it is coming under error of principal. Now let's see what's the wrong entry. So what happened first? Wrong entry. So old machinery sold for 7,000 was credited to sales account. So whenever here actually we sold what machinery, we got cash. So what happened? They consider us through the form of sales. So what's the wrong entry? Cash account data. See here, cash account data as 7,000. Okay, to sales account, isn't it? To sales account 7,000. That's what they given the effect for what? We got money, cash, but in the form of out through sales. Actually what happened? That's what we are going to give the correct entry. So what is the correct entry? See, you know very well. See here, so as a correct entry, what is that? So anyway you got money, cash account. Okay, how much? 7,000. But what should be credit? Credit should be what? In machinery. So goes out. And it's coming under real account. So debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Okay, isn't it? So here we can make it credit side is what? We consider the machinery account. We can show it as a correct entry, machinery account. How much? 7,000. You understood? That's what the correct entry we are supposed to pass. But what happened? They wrongly given credit sales account. So what's the rectification entry? You know very well. Rectification entry. Anyway, you go into credit as a machinery account. Correct. So that's why I am giving effect to machinery account. Okay. Machinery account. How much? 7,000. Okay. So what should be the debit? That is very interesting here. So what should be the debit here? So debit earlier we done it as a sales credit. Giving what? Sales is a debit. Okay. Sales account data how much? 7,000. You understood now? So earlier you wrongly credited sales. I consider as a revenue income. Understood? This considered as a revenue receipt. But it is not a revenue receipt. It is a capital receipt. Correct? Because I sold the machinery, old machinery. So coming under capital receipt. But what happened? Wrongly considered as a revenue receipt. Revenue receipt. Okay. The same manner opposite capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Similarly, here should be right what? Should be a capital in the form of capital receipt, not in the form of revenue receipt. That's why earlier I done it as a sales account credit. Now going to the effect for debit side, sales account data 7,000 to machinery account 7,000. So what is the narration? Simply a same manner. So old machinery being, that word very important, being old machinery, okay, old machinery, okay, sold for how much? 7,000, was credited to which account? Sales account. Now rectify. So this word is very important. That's what our rectification is. So this is coming under error of principle. So what's the meaning of error of principle? You should be know to allocate. So wrongly given the effect what? Sometimes revenue expenditure considered as wrongly capital expenditure. Similarly, capital receipt considered as revenue receipt. That's what here in this problem, in this transaction, it is a actually capital receipt, it is considered as a revenue receipt. That's why given the effect of rectification entry, so sales account data 7,000 to machinery account 7,000. So here, no question of suspense account. Here, no one side error. That's why I no need to transfer anything as suspense account. You understood now? That's what very, very important about this transaction. Okay. Now let's see. Finally, what is that? Finally, F. F they are given. So what is the F? There is a discount. I read that better. So what they given? Discount received 800 from Kannan on paying cash to him was not posted. Okay. Here totally they are not posted. They are enjoyed by what? Through the form of discount received. So they are totally not posted. Okay, you understood now? Discount received is what? It is coming under gain. Okay. So naturally discount received is what? As a credit part. Okay, I write it here. To discount. Write it clearly. To discount received. Okay. To discount received. How much? 800. So what should be debit naturally? They given what? Who that? Kannan. Okay, you are going to debit Kannan. No question of suspense account. They totally not posted. Kannan account 800. Okay, that's what your debit. Okay, simply what's the narration? So this from Kannan on playing not posted. Okay, so being discount received from Kannan. Okay, not posted. Now rectified. That's what simple. Just you enter the transaction. What is the Kannan account data? 800 to discount received account 800. Understood now? So that's what this part. So here also no question of suspense account. So no need to anything transfer to here because when the suspense account will come, especially for the one side error, after that you want to make it that side whether debit or credit is shown as a suspense account. Okay. So now everything is over according to this. So now you're going to see the balance. So which side is higher? Here 12,000. How to close the suspense account? 12,000. So here also 12,000. So still what happened? Now suspense account not tallied. Again 1,000 rupees balance is kept. Okay. So you have to write to balance carry down. That is very important. So naturally I am going to transfer what? The exact effect is what? The credit difference by balance. By balance brought down. How much? 1,000. Okay, you understood now. So as here, suspense account given the balance of what? Credit balance of what? Suspense account. Even the open suspense account, again they given differences. Again they given the balance in suspense account how much? By balance brought down how much? 1,000 rupees. You understood now. So even the any suspense account balance, you know how to give the effect. So here it is a credit, isn't it? This is the credit side. Okay. So now suspense account shown as a credit. So we consider what? This is in a balance sheet. How you are going to see in a balance sheet? In a balance sheet, we consider what? Liabilities. So under the liability side, only we are going to show what? Suspense account 1,000. You understood? So even though trial balance difference, here trial balance differences. That's why we started. Even after locating all the others in suspense account, I'm going to get again the balances here. Further 1000 rupees credit balance. Okay, suspense account. So any suspense account balance, how you are going to give the effect? So any credit balance or suspense account, I'm going to show where the balance sheet, liability side. Okay, as suspense account. Understood? As a suspense account, how much? 1000. So I shown as liability side. Suppose debit side, where we are going to show simple. So I want to show in a balance sheet asset side. You understood? That's what we discussed in our previous session. Our retribution over. You should know that even after any differences, any balance available in suspense account, so suppose it is a credit balance, we are going to show in a balance sheet liability side. That's what we shown here. Suppose any balance in debit side, that means we want to show in a balance sheet asset side. You understood though? Accordingly, here suspense account, we want to show in a balance sheet liability side. I repeat once again. Any balance, suppose after that, suppose this 1000 rupees coming this side, I make it as full balance brought down. Okay. So debit balance shows to where? Asset side. That word I write it here. So any debit balance, this is the credit balance. Okay. So now any debit balance of suspense. Any debit balance of suspense account. Where I am going to show? It is in asset side. Okay. Asset side of balance sheet. Similarly, any credit balance you want to show in a liability side of balance sheet. So now understood about this problem. That's what is given. Continuously two problems. So opposite. The LA problem same manner. We done it. We will show in a suspense account two balance brought down. Okay. A previous problem. Question number 19. Here question number 20. Difference is coming in debit side. That means what? Difference in trial balance, debit excess. So how you are going to show in a suspense account? By balance brought out 10,000. So after we done it a suspense account, still 1000 rupees balance is coming. So you can't locate the other. So what you will do? The same that 1000 rupees suspense account. Suppose say our credit side, you want to show in a balance in liability side. Suppose same suspense account, the debit side, you want to show in a asset side in the balance sheet. You understood? That's what these two problems earlier discussed in question number 19 and 20. So very important one. Comparatively, any differences clearly given in the question itself. How you are going to do? So again I am requesting you, you have to do the suspense account simultaneously. Okay. That's what here we can able to do the rectification of error very easily. And one more point, repeat once again. Wherever necessary, you want to write like this: wrong entry, correct entry, then rectification entry. So don't go directly for the rectification entry. So because you can't learn clearly, you can't confirm that the rectification entry is very clear. Okay, that's why here always you want to follow this procedure. Wherever necessary, you want to do like this: rectification entry, correct entry, then wrong entry. So only the rectification entry, the narration part is very important. Okay. So here directly we done it, rectification entry, isn't it? So no question of rectification entry, directly done it. Because I totally forgot to write, not posted. So no question of wrong entries. When the wrong entry will come? In the wrong posting, in the wrong amount. So here, not even they are not posted. That's why directly you can do the journal entries here. Okay. So that time, so that part we can do rectification entry directly. Otherwise, you want to follow same manner. Wherever wrong entry, correct entry, rectification entry. Okay. So I hope that these two problems, question number 19 and 20, the rectification of errors, especially how to do the suspense account. So how you are giving any differences in the balance sheet. You can be able to clearly understood whenever watching this video. So number of times. Okay. I hope that you understood this. Okay. So thank you very much.